Hi, with you again, the channel about trading MaxBot. Now I'm going to do a deposit increase from $1 to a really cool amount. I will use bot signals with a passability of 89 to 95%. I start with the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc on the time frame of 1 minute. Bot signal, higher. I specifically increased the speed of price movement to make it more convenient for you to watch and to save your time. I specifically increased the speed of price movement to make it more convenient for you to watch and to save your time. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at the discount. Link in the description. After purchase, you will get access to the VIP chat, where our experts with years of experience analyze the market. There our team shares signals. In the meantime, the first transaction has successfully closed. I am investing the entire deposit amount in a new transaction. Higher signal. Now I will tell you about the influence of political events on the currency market. Political events can cause significant volatility in currency pair trading, presenting both opportunities and risks for traders. For those trading on options brokers, understanding the relationship between political events and currency markets is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Political events encompass a wide range of occurrences, including elections, government policy changes, geopolitical conflicts, economic sanctions, and political instability. These events can have immediate and profound effects on currency values due to their potential to alter economic conditions, investor sentiment, and market expectations. Meanwhile, I get the profit again and enter a new trade. The signal from the bot is higher. Elections are among the most significant political events affecting the market. The uncertainty surrounding election outcomes and the potential for changes in government policies can lead to increased volatility. For example, during a presidential election, investors might speculate on the economic policies of the candidates, such as tax reforms, trade agreements, and fiscal policies. Case study: the U.S. Presidential elections have historically caused significant movements in the USD. In the 2016 election, the unexpected victory of Donald Trump led to immediate market reactions, with the USD initially dropping but then rallying on expectations of business-friendly policies and fiscal stimulus. Meanwhile, the bot has issued a higher signal. We keep improving the results. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, put a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on trading under this video. I will choose a winner using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares trading knowledge and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. Here comes another transaction closed in the plus side. I will work with a new currency pair with a higher payout. British pound, Japanese yen. I invest the whole amount of the deposit every time, for quick results. New signal, higher. Working according to this structure, you will become much richer, because the robot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 whole years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. Now in front of you on the screen, reviews of traders who have implemented MaxBot in their strategy. They speak for themselves. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day, and the investment in its purchase, which you will make at a 90% discount, will pay for itself in the first hours. Here's a new success. $8.25. I'll go into the market at $18.43. The bot is recommending higher. Changes in government policies, especially those related to fiscal policy, monetary policy, and trade agreements, can have a direct impact on currency values. Policies that affect economic growth, inflation, and interest rates are particularly influential. Government spending and taxation decisions can influence economic growth and inflation, thereby impacting currency values. Expansionary fiscal policies, such as increased government spending or tax cuts, can lead to higher economic growth and inflation, potentially strengthening the currency. And here is the result of a new accurate signal from the bot. My new investment is $33.36. Recommendation from neural networks is lower. Monetary policy. Central bank decisions on interest rates and monetary supply are crucial. For instance, if a central bank raises interest rates to combat inflation, it can attract foreign investment, leading to a stronger currency. Trade policies and agreements can affect a country's trade balance and economic performance. Positive trade agreements can boost a country's exports, strengthening its currency, while trade restrictions or tariffs can have the opposite effect. And the bot continues to improve our situation. Pretty soon there will be large sums in front of me. New investment $60.38. The signal is higher. Geopolitical conflicts, such as wars, territorial disputes, and international tensions, can create significant uncertainty and risk in the market. These events often lead to risk aversion, where investors seek safe haven currencies like the USD, CHF, or JPY. Economic sanctions imposed by one country or a group of countries on another can disrupt trade flows and economic performance, leading to currency depreciation. Sanctions can limit a country's ability to engage in international trade, affecting its currency's value. In the meantime, I got a plus thanks to the robot and am investing $109.29 in the next trade. Amazingly accurate work of artificial intelligence. New signal is lower. Political instability, such as coups, protests, and governmental crises, can undermine investor confidence and lead to capital flight, resulting in currency depreciation. Investors prefer stable political environments where the risk of sudden policy changes is low. Political events often lead to increased volatility in the market. For options traders, this volatility can present both opportunities and risks. The key is to correctly anticipate the direction and magnitude of price movements based on the political event in question. And I'm increasing my profits step by step. From $1 thanks to neural network has already extracted 200. I am now once again asking the bot for a prediction. It's signaling lower. Traders can use tools such as economic calendars and news feeds to stay informed about upcoming political events. For instance, if an important election or policy announcement is scheduled, traders can prepare for potential volatility. Predicting the direction of price movement requires analyzing the potential impact of the political event. For example, a policy expected to boost economic growth might strengthen the currency, while political instability might weaken it. And while I continue the story, the robot does its thing. The signal is accurate again. I will now enter the market at $358. The new prediction from the bot is higher. The extent to which a political event impacts currency values depends on various factors, including market expectations and the event's significance. Major events can lead to substantial price swings, while minor events might have limited impact. To effectively trade currency pairs during political events, traders can employ several strategies. Straddle. This strategy involves placing both a call and a put option at the same strike price, anticipating significant price movement in either direction. It is particularly useful during periods of high uncertainty, such as elections or major policy announcements. So, it's time for the final surgery. $648.05 is the amount that will become my investment. The final signal from the powerful neural network is lower. Trend following. This strategy involves identifying and following established trends. If a political event reinforces an existing trend, traders can place options in the direction of the trend. For example, if a currency has been strengthening due to positive economic data and a political event is expected to further support this trend, a call option might be appropriate. News trading involves reacting quickly to political events as they unfold. Traders monitor news feeds and economic calendars to act on breaking news. This strategy requires quick decision-making and execution, as political events can lead to rapid price movements. And here's the final result. I started with $1, and thanks to accurate analytics and signals, MaxBot now on my account $1,172.97. Thanks for watching and see you soon.